Hello everyone, I hope that you all are doing good. This is Dr. Aksa Kamal. Teeth discoloration is a universal issue. All of us want to have bright smile with white teeth. I have made many videos on teeth staining and whitening, but this video is very special because in this video I will share with you some home remedies to get instant teeth whitening at home with 100% natural ingredients and with all the items available at home. Many people are unable to visit a dental doctor and most people are unable to afford expensive teeth whitening procedures. So this video is a treat for you all. Let's start. Number 1. Baking soda with water. The amazing ingredient is baking soda. Baking soda can do wonders. It has natural whitening properties. It is also a mild abrasive which can help to clean tooth surface. Different studies have suggested that toothpaste containing baking soda can clean teeth better than a normal toothpaste. For this remedy, just mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda with some water to make it like a paste. And that's it. Use this paste to clean your teeth for 2 to 3 minutes and then rinse your mouth thoroughly with water. Number 2. Strawberries and baking soda. Both strawberries and baking soda have natural whitening properties. It is suggested that malic acid in strawberries remove discoloration. For this remedy, take 2 to 3 strawberries, crush them and mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda to make a paste. Use this paste to brush your teeth for 2 to 3 minutes and then rinse your mouth thoroughly with water. Number 3. Turmeric and baking soda. Turmeric is well known for its medicinal, antibacterial and healing properties. It is also a well-known cleanser and it is being used in surgery to induce healing. For this technique, take 2 tablespoons of turmeric powder, mix it in a little water and then mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda and then make it like a paste. Use this paste to clean your teeth for 3 minutes and then rinse your mouth thoroughly with water. Number 4. Coconut oil and baking soda. Coconut oil targets the harmful bacteria in the mouth. It reduces plaque build-up, prevent tooth caries and fight gum disease. In this technique, mix 2 tablespoons of baking soda with coconut oil, make it like a paste. Brush your teeth with this paste and then rinse your mouth thoroughly with water. Number 5. Toothpaste and baking soda. Toothpaste is a good pack of elements for teeth cleaning. A good toothpaste contains all the essential elements such as fluoride. In this technique, mix 2 tablespoons of your toothpaste in 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Make it like a paste and then brush your teeth for 3 minutes with this paste. Rinse your mouth thoroughly with water afterwards. Number 6. Lemon and baking soda. Lemon is an excellent bleaching agent and rich in vitamin C. In this technique, mix 1 tablespoon of lemon juice with 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Make it like a paste. Brush your teeth for 2 minutes with this paste and then rinse your mouth thoroughly with water. Number 7. Activated charcoal. Activated charcoal is a fine odorless black powder. It is made by heating natural sources of carbon such as wood on extremely high temperature. It works by absorbing the toxins. Brushing your teeth with activated charcoal powder for 2 to 3 minutes is also a very good technique to get white teeth instantly. Number 8. Orange peel. Just like lemon, orange peel is a rich source of vitamin C and essential elements. It is a natural bleaching agent. In this technique, rub orange peel on your teeth for 3 minutes and then rinse your mouth with water thoroughly. Now few points to remember over here are: do not swallow any of these mixture or pastes. Always rinse your mouth thoroughly with water after cleaning your teeth. Clean your teeth gently with soft bristle toothbrush. Apply these remedies only once or twice a week. And always consult a dental doctor in case of anything unusual. Keep smiling. If you like this video, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.